Hi, and welcome to my all about my two favorite things in the whole world. These things are my beloved cat, Suki, and my partner, husband, Ron. It's going to be mostly about both of them, but really it's going to be about Suki. We're going to be honest here. So let's talk about my husband, Ron. My husband, Ron, is a comic book writer and man who plays video games. Here he is playing video games on our beanbag with Suki, making sure that he gets all the kills and overall having a good time. And if he gets stressed, she's always there for him for some good pets. She also gives a lot of good advice while playing video games. My husband and cat also love to go sit in the backyard. Suki likes to wear her Spider-Man outfit. Ron likes to just soak in the sun. Sometimes it's too bright for him, and she'll tell him, and they'll go inside. They have really interesting conversations together. I really wish I could have the same level of comfort with somebody where they can just spill their hearts out to each other. But alas, I am just the third wheel in this relationship, and that is okay. Well, maybe it's not. I don't know. As long as he has that ring on the finger, I guess that's what matters. At the end of the day, they do go to prom together. They can also be found lounging together quite often on the couch. Whenever I come across them lounging together on the couch, it is as though I'm intruding on something very special, almost indecent. I try not to do this often, but like I said, he still has a ring on his finger, so I think my relationships are secure. Anyway, let's go back outside. Suki wearing her beloved Spider-Man outfit. Ron is always there with the leash to make sure she stays safe. Or is she keeping him safe on the leash? We'll never know. Just a nice little zoom in. Ron is still around. Maybe. Here's just Suki. Isn't she a gem? I think she likes me too. I am the one who rescued her, but alas, so did these legs. But here she is. Maybe she's going on an adventure. I really wish I could remember what this was, but I don't think I was invited to this outing. I think this was just for them. Suki's also very, very jealous. Here she is peeking in on Ron in the backyard, viewing some other local cats. This was very upsetting for her. They didn't talk for weeks. This is Suki reminding him that she is in charge and that she is his one true love, and making sure that I also know this by blocking off his neck in case of me showing interest towards them. They take naps together everywhere, including the floor, including brand new rugs. They're both comforting each other in this photo. I'm going to be very honest. They both look sad, but happy to be in each other's presence. Suki once again reminding us all who's in charge, or is she giving a massage? We'll never know. Either way, Ron's life is in danger, and I am unwilling to get myself involved in this. Suki constantly reminds everyone around her, especially Ron, who is in charge, by negating any space available to view anything but herself. She will block off video games, phones, books, and any kind of screen if possible. So we decided to make her own viewing box. We created Suki TV, where she could watch her iPad in peace and watch cat videos. It didn't really work. Here Suki is reminding me that I am not allowed to read books, for the real book is her beautiful eyes. Anyway, back to Ron. Ron's favorite anime is Dragon Ball Z, depicted in this photo by Suki playing with his Dragon Ball. She might be asserting her dominance over it and reminding us that she is Ron's most beloved creation. I don't think Ron got the memo, so here we have pictured Suki asserting her dominance and reminding everyone that she is the only one for him. Thank you so much. And remember, love your cat more than your husband.